Hi guys, and welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make delicious gluten-free, no-bake and a little bit healthier as well vegan bounty cake. This cake will be super quick and easy to make, but now let's get started and we will be starting with the base. To make it you are going to need 100 grams of desiccated coconut, 200 grams of dates, I suggest that you are using soft and juicy dates, and 50 grams of melted dark chocolate. Place all ingredients in the food processor and process for about 3 to 5 minutes until mixture is well combined and sticky. At the end you will have to get something like this. Place the mixture in the cake tin, which is about 8 inches, even it out and press it tightly with your fingers or with a spoon. And now let's continue with the filling or with the middle part. To make it you are going to need 200 grams of desiccated coconut, 200 milliliters of full-fat coconut milk, 3 tablespoons of maple syrup, and 3 tablespoons of melted coconut oil. Place all ingredients in a bowl and mix them together until they are well combined. At first the mixture will seem to be a little bit runny, but don't worry about that because it will harden up later on. Place the mixture on the base of the cake, even it out and try to press it a little bit tightly. To make it harden up a little bit quicker, place it in the freezer for about 30 minutes. And now let's continue with the chocolate glaze. To make it you are only going to need 2 ingredients, and one of them is 100 grams of melted dark chocolate and 100 milliliters of full-fat coconut milk, which is heated up to reach 80 degrees Celsius. Mix both ingredients together until chocolate has melted and mixture is well combined. Pour mixture on the filling of the cake, even it out and place it in the fridge for about 2 hours until it firms up. And here you go, take it out of the fridge, cut it in slices and you are ready to go. And here is our super delicious and easy to make vegan bounty cake. I hope you enjoyed this video and you are going to try out this recipe. You can find all the details below. Click like, and if you haven't, subscribe to my channel and see you later. Bye!